Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux latest version on VirtualBox. Then go to kali.org. Then click on download. Here we have two types of downloads. One is bare metal and another one is virtual machine. Bare metal is we have to install Kali Linux step by step, and virtual machines we can directly attach the downloaded files. I am going to download this bare metal. Click on this bare metal. Scroll down here. We have three types of downloads. One 64-bit, 32-bit and Apple M1. Click on this 64 installer. Notice here download has been started. Its size is 2.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. Now open Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you haven't installed Oracle VM VirtualBox, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. See, this is the Oracle VM VirtualBox console. Click on this new button or go to machine and select new. Here provide name for your Kali Linux. Kali Linux. See, Kali Linux is Debian type operating system. Select Debian 64 and click on next. Here we have to provide memory size. Provide at least 2 gigabytes. If you have enough RAM, then provide based on your availability. Here I am providing 4 gigabytes. Then click on next. Here we have to select the hard disk. I am selecting create a virtual hard disk now, or you can use the existing one. Click on next. Here we have to select hard disk file type. Here we have three types. I am going with virtual hard disk. Then click on next. Storage on physical hard disk. I have selected dynamically allocated. Then click on next. Provide the hard disk size. Here I am giving hard disk size as 100 gigabytes. Click on create. Now we have to attach the downloaded ISO file by clicking on this optical drive, or go to settings, then storage, then click on this optical drive, then click on this again optical drive, then choose a disk file. See, this is the ISO file which I have downloaded. Select it and click on open, or just click on this optical drive, choose a disk file. Same way select it and click on open. See, the ISO file has been mounted. Until now we have created virtual machine for Kali Linux, but we haven't installed. Just click on start to install the Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Here we have these options. Use up and down arrows and select the installation type. I am going with graphical install. Press enter. Select the type of install and press enter. If cursor is disabled, click on right side control from your keyboard. Select the language and click on continue. Here these many languages. Select your location. I am going with United States and click on continue. Keyboard layout also I am going with American English. Click on continue. Provide the name for your Kali Linux host. By default host name is Kali. I am keeping Kali as host name. Then click on continue. If you want to add this Kali Linux host to existing domain, then provide the domain name. Otherwise keep blank and click on continue. Now we have to set up the user. I am giving username as R2 schools. Then click on continue to enter the password for this user. Provide the password. Then click on continue. Select the clock. I am going with Eastern clock. Click on continue. In partition disks, I am selecting guided use entire disk. Then click on continue. Again continue. Same. Select the finish partitioning and write changes to disk. If you want to undo changes, then use up arrow and select finish partitioning and click on continue. Select S button to write changes to disks. Then click on continue. Now select the softwares to install on this one. By default, it has selected desktop environment, XFCE and others. If you want to install Genome, KDE Plasma, then select them and click on continue. See, if you want to install grub bootloader, then select yes, otherwise no. Click on I want to install grub loader, then I have selected yes, then click on continue. Select the device and click on continue. Installation has been completed. Click on continue. Now click on the user and provide the password. Now click on this terminal. Check whether this is Kali Linux or not. Check the version. More etc os-release. See, we have installed version 2020.04 and its ID is Kali. Its ID like is Debian. So in this video we have seen how to download and install latest Kali Linux on VirtualBox. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.